Alright guys, I'm in the middle. Alright guys, on the way to the shop. I'm hearing scrubbing, scratching, growling, gritty, all kinds of things going on with this. This girl is abusing my van and not telling me. I'm okay with what's going to happen anyway. Some things out of your control as far as what's going to fail. It doesn't matter who's driving it. When it's time for a part to fail, it's just going to fail. I understand that, but I need to know when there's a problem. Okay, I'm hearing scrubbing, all kinds of. Why won't this wheel turn? I'm hearing all kinds of scrubbing noise, and she haven't called not one time to tell me of such. This is cooling residue from the leaking radiator. Yeah, look, this radiator freaking pouring. And it tried to overheat on the way here, so I'm hoping like hell she did not overheat the car. You know, I don't. Oh, wait a minute. Oh my goodness. Okay, wait a minute. Let me do 3 o'clock. It's 6 and 12. Oh my freaking goodness. This whole hub bearing is about to fall off. Is this the caliper? No, it's not the caliper. Y'all see that? Wait a minute. So I need both. That's the hub bearing, guys. That's what's. She did not mention one word about a freaking noise while I was driving. I could have picked up a hub bearing while I was at the damn parts store. Holy crap! And it's got a flat. All right, I'm gonna have to lay down some rules. Okay. All right, guys. I'm frustrated right now. Let me take a break. let me hoosah. All right. So I'll get back with y'all in a second. I gotta go find a part. A left side hub. They both the same on either side. So I need a hub bearing and find out what's wrong with that tire. That's the tire that goes right here. I have no idea if it's blown, cut, or what. But shit. Let me go rotate the rear and see. Is there anything back here I need to know? I just put brakes on this about 6, maybe 4 months ago. If I saw hub bearing problem back then, I would have put hub bearings on it. So this obviously just happened. Yeah, the brake's still good. Y'all remember AutoZone? Y'all remember the conversation we just had with the guy at Advance concerning lifetime warranty brake pads? Yes, that is the most ridiculous thing I ever heard, but it happens. Guys, let me take a break. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I got the wheels off. I'm getting ready to replace. Remember, this is my van with the left side. Oh my goodness, the hub bearing is shot, guys. Now, as far as how to replace this, it's no big deal, guys. 4 15mm bolts right here. Of course, take the axle bolt off and take the caliper bracket off. Alright, I don't want to, try to film every little detail. Just showing y'all how simple it is. Just back the axle out. Remove the bolts and they come right out. Now the unique thing about this axle, this is a new one I just got. It came with a ABS sensor already on it. Okay, so if you had an ABS light on for wheel speed sensor in the left front, you get a 2-for-1. All right, guys. So I have quite a bit of work to do. I'm still kind of pissed off about this whole ordeal. I probably should go ahead and resurface. I still got some brake pads left, so it's car getting the bare minimum. I need to replace the. Oh my goodness. She don't tell me nothing, but the biggest thing was riding around with this leak, guys. You can burn up your car. Remember, these are aluminum cylinder heads. You do not want them to leak or get hot, overheat, no length of time. All right, so let me get to work, guys. I'll see y'all in a second. Stay tuned. Holy crap. All right, guys, I got it out. Finally got it out. No big deal at all, guys. Radiator is fairly easy on these. That's why I didn't bother insulting you guys by filming it. Okay, look at all this cooling residue. This radiator been leaking for a long time, and this girl, I don't understand, man. She knows this is her only means of transportation. Why would you? Look at that. The AC gonna be out soon. Y'all know what that is? That is AC dye. I put some dye in here a while back. This is where it's leaking at, obviously, this line. So I need to replace this line. But the AC cold right now, but um, I really need to replace this line. I'm gonna see if we got one. If we got one, I'm gonna go ahead and replace. Yes, guys, that is freon leakage. All right, dye. This is R134, so we would put dye in that. And the new stuff, 1234YA, we do not put dye in it. All right, so where's my old radiator? Right here. Yes, it has been leaking from the both seams, both sides. Good. All right. That is not good. Who knows how long that's been going on. Now, my new radiator. I ended up going, y'all saw that video. Advanced Auto. Okay. This was pretty, that was a pretty interesting transaction, guys. Y'all saw that video, the guy talking about how he explained what limited lifetime warranty means as far as this radiator, one time. I mean, how do you know the one time? I'm sure they have my name on file, but when I go back, let's say a year from now, it's leaking again. Excuse me, I got a limited lifetime warranty on my radiator. Do I get another one? It's leaking again. You only get it one time. I have yet to get a decent explanation of what does limited lifetime warranty mean. Okay, if it's limited and technically it's not really lifetime, why don't you just say limited warranty instead of limited lifetime warranty, right? That makes sense? Yes, that makes total sense. Okay, see, Mopar radiator, I would at least get a radiator cap. I did not get a new radiator cap with this cheapo radiator. All right, guys, so I got some work to do. Now, I'm going to explain something else to you guys. The reason why she was on the donut, the freaking tire has a split on the side. How does that happen? So I had to end up getting two tires. In fact, let's go over to the tire area. I'm going to show y'all what I'm talking about. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so I got air back in it. Let me show y'all. Now this tire is not like it was a real good tire. It's kind of worn out anyway. So, and I got this tire from a used car, a used tire department. Let me show you. Let me see something. All right, where's that dumb leak? Uh-oh, I see some bubbles somewhere. Uh-oh. Is it on this side? Look like it's over here, guys. Oh, I hear it. Right here. I see that? How in the world? How the hell you get up? Right there. I can't plug that. So, alright, what I had to do bite the bullet. Again, this bill is going to her. She ruined the tires, she killed the tires, she destroyed the tires. I don't know how you hit some on the side. So now I did not get these from Advance. I ended up going to Walmart. So I got two 1560 16 series tires that I'm going to put on the front. All right. So other than that, guys, after I get this done, that ought to hold her until she breaks something else. Hey, break it all. Well, she's not really breaking it. It's just wear and tear. I mean, it's an older model van, so stuff is going to happen. All right. Well, guys, I got work to do. Let's get it.